How to log in to Destiny credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video by App Hacks, I will teach you guys how you can log in into your Destiny credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser. After you do that, simply search for Destiny credit card login. After you search for that, you'll find a website that says Destiny card. So it's this one right here. So you can just head over to this website. You can directly head over to destinycard.com as well. So let me just head over there. And after you head over to that website, you'll see an option that says My Account on the top right. Tap on My Account and it'll just take you to another website from where you can actually log in into their secure server. So all you now have to do is type in your username and then type in your password. After you do that, tap on the login button and log in into your Destiny credit card. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.